I've had a few questions about the seat in my truck, and why the seat's in here, where it came from. Quick little background about me. I used to build race cars. I will still build race cars, but only for myself. And I had the seat left over from, well, not left over, but I have a project in motion right now. And I decided to pull the seat out of there and put it in my truck because the seat that was in here was extremely uncomfortable and it had me sliding all over the truck. So this definitely doesn't allow me to slide around the truck anymore. It is on the air ride base, so it does have some forward aft float, as well as still having air ride functions. So the seat is actually fairly comfortable for me because I'm about 5'11", about 185 pounds, and the side panels and all of the pieces to the seat are velcroed in, so you can adjust the seat to your body shape as necessary. So I've got these pads kind of moved around a little bit in weird spots, but it fits me well. So that's what the seat was made for, to be kind of more user-friendly and modular in that respect. So yeah, the seat's really comfortable, and it was just something I had laying around. It probably won't be in my truck forever because it's really not that comfortable. On more than about a 3-hour drive, it's pain. It's just not that great, but it looks really cool, and it wasn't free, but I had it laying around the shop. So maybe if you guys are lucky, then maybe you'll get to take a quick peep at where the seat came from. This is where the seat came from. It's a 1975 Volvo. Yeah, I have a thing with 70s vehicles. 75 Volvo 242. I like them because they are 2-door and they have the smaller back end on them with the really small taillights. But this is a Pro Street project of mine. It's going to have some big 1850 by 31 Hoosiers on the back of it, and the front of it has some, I think, 17 by 8.5 weld RTSs. I've got some RTSs for the back as well, on like a 255 40 17. I forgot what size these things are, but the engine we've got for this thing is a Toyota 1J twin turbo deal, 2.5 liter, 6-cylinder inline 6, and hopefully I plan to finish this project around the time my daughter graduates from high school. We got like another 12 years or something like that. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I've set my goals really high. Anyway, it's a quick little ditty about the seat. I'll show you later.